So anyway, so first we're gonna demonstrate how to crack a cold one. So we have a bottle of Stella Toys. I don't know how to speak English, whatever. They're from Belgium. It's a pretty nice beer. So first of all, we're gonna peel this cover off, which I don't know why they designed it this way, but apparently it looks fancy. Second, we're gonna just spit on there and just make sure it's like, you know, nice and steady and just clean it all the way, you know. So we're gonna put over a ledge like this, you know, kind of like almost the cap is touching the ledge. And well, one of the most important things, you gotta take the ring off, which is very important and crucial. So we're gonna do it again. We're gonna put it next, nice to the ledge. Well, it's okay if it's table or anything that's hard. Don't put it on glass tables, cause the glass is gonna break and your bottle is gonna weight.
Is it bad that I went black?
No, it's okay.
Oh.
It just means like it went like it's just gonna stays like that because it's gonna waste a lot of batteries if it's keep on going.
Oh, well, I don't know what I'm looking at.
No, it's okay. So anyway, back to the beer. So this is how it is. Like, come on, get it a little bit closer. See, it's right on ledge, very smooth. So what we're gonna do, you're gonna put your fist all together. You're just gonna punch it. Well, we're not supposed to have that, but oh shit. Anyway, here's how we crack down open fresh beer. And the last step, take a giant, large, fat sip. End of tutorial. Thanks, guys.